Well, they announced another SOE today, I think it was. I think that's really a PR exercise. I've driven through the area, a large part of the area covered by the SOE. I haven't seen one soldier or police until I got to the police station where we are now. So, I don't think that response is, as you know, lawful. We've taken that matter to the Constitutional Court, and we're awaiting the hearing of that matter. But, I was reading in the papers, I think on October the 10th, about Operation Recovery in Trelawney, which was intensive saturation of the space which had been affected by violence relating to a lot of scamming, involving the police and the JDF, and they'd found weapons and they'd arrested various people and so on. And there was no SOE there. So, to my mind, what this shows you is that the necessary tools to get control of an area exist without resorting to the ultimate constitutional weapon of a state of emergency, which is really there to protect the subversion of the state, not to deal with difficult policing work that may arise from time to time. And that's our position, and we are waiting to hear whether the courts agree with us or not.
Right.
Yeah.
And outside of just from a security standpoint, in terms of the citizens of Rockfort, what would be your message to them, even before we go on the tour?
I would urge everybody to try to get back on track. My understanding is that a lot of work had been done over the past few years to bring peace to the community, and the peace was being enjoyed. And this is a big setback for that process. And I would urge everyone, leave vengeance to the Lord. That is not the role of man. We must live according to the teaching of Jesus Christ, which is to embrace peace and love. And, revenge doesn't bring back anything that has gone on already. So, I would urge persons to just try to bring the peace movement in the constituency back together, and so we can avoid any escalation of the situation or reprisals for what has happened. And that's my personal view.
Thank you.